Good morning, friends. Good morning. Guess what today is? Today is cruise day. Yes, it is. Cruise day. Yes, today we board the Carnival Elation out of Jacksonville, Florida. Yes, and you know how we do it. Yes, you got it right. We are taking y'all with us.
Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me
Hey friends, we made it to the port. There's the Carnival Elation. Carnival Elation, baby.
All right. Antoinette in the house, y'all.
Let's get back up here before they run away. Friends, this is what I really missed when I was on the Mardi Gras. The atrium, when you come in and you get that wow factor where you can look all the way up there. That's what I love. See that? All the way up there. I love this.
And then you need to come to this master station, all right?
Okay.
Simple and easy. First, you're gonna place it over your head. Second, you're gonna pass the strap around your back. Has to be tied. Click the one that we have in the front. And you're gonna pass the third one, you're gonna pass it between your legs.
Okay.
So all the life jackets, they have the whistle, which is this one, and the light. So the light will be...
Hey friends, so we finally made it on the cruise ship. I'm gonna show y'all my food. So this is my first meal aboard the Carnival Elation. I didn't get much. I got some mac and cheese. Y'all know how I like the corn. I got some mac and cheese. This is some kind of steak. And I don't forget what he called this. Something I never had before. So I don't know what it is, but it looked delicious. So that's all I got. And then I got the #1 cake. Look. The confetti cake, I got that, a little slice of that, and then she put this whole big old citrus cake on my plate. Look at that. So that's what I have for my first meal. We decided not to do Guy Burgers because look like Guy Burgers is what we always go to, is Guy Burgers. But oh my goodness, friends, let me tell y'all, that walk getting to the cruise ship, how many layers was it? I'm calling it layers because you go like start down and you go up. Now if you ever ported out of Jacksonville Port, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. It wasn't like this when we ported out of here, and I think that been so long. I think it was 2014 or 2000, something like that, and it wasn't like that. Friends, I was out of breath. Because this was 1, then you got to go 2, 3, 4, and I think it was 5 decks. We had to go up, I think it was 5. Yeah, but I made it, and I'm drinking on this right here. This Blue Moon. This is my first time having it. Yeah. So, but the check-in process was pretty good. It wasn't bad at all. It didn't take long. We did have our COVID test. We had it done on yesterday, but they didn't even ask for that. We brought it. We did it just in case, because you know how Carnival kept changing and changing. So we decided to go ahead on and do it. Yeah. So that's what we did. But they didn't even ask for it. So it was smooth sailing. Yes, it was. So I'll see y'all after a while. We're gonna go ahead on and enjoy our meal. These are some new friends. What's your name?
I'm Taylor Oliver.
Taylor Oliver. And your name?
Hi, I'm Brandy.
Brandy. The beautiful Anita. Yes. And this is Anita's first cruise.
All right, here go the birthday girl with the key. Let's see what our new room look like.
You got it recorded?
Mm-hmm. You all the way live. Happy birthday. It's your birthday.
Don't make me.
All right.
Can you see that platinum card? Okay.
Look at us showing off.
Mhm. That's been a long time coming. Oh, this is so nice. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Happy birthday to ya.
Y'all, I'm finna
Happy
turn.
birthday
Oh,
to
so we
ya.
got a let down thing too.
Happy
Y'all, look
birthday.
at my room. Happy birthday. This is so nice. Ah, we got a pretty big room too. And so okay, this is something here. This is a tower, and let me see what this say. Carnival Elation 8/13/2022 5-day cruise. Got our cabin number, ticket, and all that to be delivered first day in stateroom. Miss Antoinette at Fun.
Well, Miss
Birthday
Antoinette, have
balloon
fun. Can you
package,
take your mask off,
chocolate
please?
chips. The guest is compliments of my husband. Okay. Love is Angelo and Antoinette at Fun. Happy birthday. Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Thank you.
Anything
Y'all,
for
look.
you.
Look at this. So I got a picture frame. Wow. I got this is like a towel.
A towel.
Wow. I love my decoration. This is so beautiful. And I see something else up here. Cherry on top is some cookies. Wow, these are the chocolate chunk cookies. Delicious. It smells so good in here. Yes. So we staying in here or we leaving? Because I need to do a quick tour of this room. So this is our first. Oh, the weather is terrible out there. This is our first ocean view on Carnival. I think, is it our first or our second one? Because we normally do balconies. So we have the window.
I do think we did one a long time ago.
It's a little rainy, friends. We get ready to go under the bridge. Let me just go into a swing. What? We're going up under. That's the bridge. Is it going? It always looks so close, like it's gonna hit. We made it. We made it, friends. Let me turn around. Woo-hoo! We made it. We on our way. Let me get that whale tail. Let's just look. We cruising, friends.
Cruising, baby. Cruising.